brave mariners risked their lives going into the depths of the ocean in search of treasures from the sea. Some were in the form of seafood and others were in the form of seashells. Some of the seashells were the food as well. But we're looking for beautiful shells today, and we're going to recreate some of those treasures that were found in the deep. Come with me as we go on a journey of recreation. Yes, sometimes the sea can be a little bumpy, and fishermen go to great lengths to catch fish and to get these beautiful seashells in their nets. This week I'm going to try sand casting again, and I'm going to do something quite challenging. I'm going to try to do this shell. See how we go. It's going to be a big challenge. I made up a couple of boxes. There's the top of it, bottom, some guide pins, got the sand ready. I'm going to use a bit of plaster as well to get that right shape. I know this is unorthodox, but I'm going to use some cooking oil on the top because I'm going to use plaster mix, and I'll put powder underneath. See how we go. So I'm filling the rest of this mold up now with sand. Packing it down as hard as possible. Looks alright so far. But that'll be the challenge, getting the shell out of here. And all this is aluminium casing. We're going to melt that down and make it into an ingot as well. Okay, so we're going to melt some aluminium. I've got the crucible all ready, and I've got another load to go in after. Okay, it's time to kick this thing in the guts. So it's all melted and ready to pour now. So I got a primer on this one yesterday, ready for starting to do colouring. I'm going to try to make the same colours as that. See how we go. So here's the end result, everybody. Which one is the real shell and which one is cast aluminium? You tell me. The real one, the aluminium one.